Hi guys, it's Nelson here, founder of R4 Methodology. Now I'm going to explain why a lot of people are suffering from chronic neck and shoulder pain working from home. First, you need a good adjustable chair with adjustable armrest, seat, and even neck rest. So imagine this armrest is too low, lower than the height of the table. Most of the time you'll be using your laptop in this position with your elbow dropping down, reaching forward and reaching your neck forward, causing a lot of tension in your chest, your legs, creating a lot of neck and shoulder pain. So what you need to do is obviously adjust the armrest to the height of the table on both sides. Now if you see me from the front view, okay, now even with the armrest resting properly, now that your shoulders are more relaxed, but because the laptop is still too low, you will tend to look down, which eventually looking forward, and if the laptop is too far forward, you tend to look forward, creating a lot of neck and shoulder pain as well. Now the other good tip that you need to know that most people don't use the armrest properly. Imagine the armrest, one is lower and one is on the normal height. You can see immediately what happened to my shoulder. The shoulder here is sitting lower, hence dragging my neck along the way, tightening my latissimus dorsi, which is my back muscles, creating a lot of neck and shoulder pain as well. So make sure the armrest, again, is always in line with the table. Now there's a good tip that can help you to alleviate the neck and shoulder pain is by using our R4 recovery block. So all you need to do is use it as an adjustable laptop stand, resting the laptop right on top of it so that the height, the top of the screen of the laptop is in line with the eye level and one arm distance away from the laptop. And not to forget the separate keyboard, ergonomic keyboard, and a separate mouse to allow your chest to open up freely while working. And also make sure frequently, every half an hour to 1 hour, rock your chair backwards to massage your spine, to lubricate your spine, and rest your neck against the neck rest so that everything is ergonomic, looking from the side view to work pain-free at home totally. Okay? Now, our R4 recovery block come with a set of beautiful R4 massage ball that can help you to release the tension in the body. So make sure you use them to do the myofascial release on the tight muscles on a separate video. And you also come with the R4 brand new elastic band to do the corrective exercise, what we know as retrain, to realign your shoulder girdle and your neck and your core muscles so that you can live pain-free actively for life. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure you grab hold of the R4 recovery block soon.